Welcome, I'm Carly. This is day 3 of the meditation challenge. This meditation utilizes a rotation of awareness similar to that in Yoga Nidra. The rotation of awareness takes you through different parts of your body and allows you to settle your awareness there. This simultaneously anchors the mind and assists you into embodiment through the felt senses. Sit comfortably now with your back upright. It can be helpful if you're sitting cross-legged to sit on a cushion to give your hips and feet some more space in a cross-legged position. Or you may choose to sit on a chair or even against a wall. Whatever works for you. Bring some awareness now to your body. Let your eyes close gently. Soften your forehead. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Release any tension in your jaw. Let your shoulders fall gently down your back. Bring your awareness to your breath now. Can you notice the air coming through your nostrils? And on your inhale, notice how your chest and then your stomach rises. And on your exhale, they contract. Don't try to change the breath or force it in any way, just noticing it. It's easy and relaxed. If it feels like you want to slow down your breath a little, you can pause your breath at the top of the inhale just for half a beat, allowing a slightly longer exhale, easy and relaxed. Now we begin a rotation of awareness. Be aware of your right hand. Your right hand. Your right lower arm. Upper arm. The right shoulder. The armpit. The right waist. The right hip. Thigh. Calf muscle. Ankle. Heel. The sole of the right foot. The top of the right foot. The whole of the right foot. Send your awareness now to your left hand. Become aware of your left hand. The lower arm. The upper arm. The left shoulder. armpit, the left waist, the left hip, thigh, calf muscle, ankle, heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the left foot, the whole of the left foot. Send your awareness now to the top of your head, the top of your head, both sides of your head. Soften your forehead. The right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, the right eyelid, the left eyelid, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, the left cheek, the lips, the whole jaw. Relax the whole jaw. The neck. Relax the whole neck. The right side of your chest. The left side of your chest. The middle of your chest. Can you send your awareness now to your lungs, inside your ribs, left and right? Rest your awareness now in your lungs. Notice as you breathe in, they expand apart, and as you breathe out, they go in. Rest your awareness in your lungs, releasing any tension there. On your exhales, breathe out any tension. Allow your awareness now to lower to your abdomen. Breathe in to your abdomen. Rest your awareness there completely. If you notice any tension, allow your breath to carry it out on the exhale. Breathing prana into that place and releasing it out of your body on the exhale. Drop your awareness down further to the connection points underneath your hips, the place where you're sitting on the surface beneath you. Feel into that place and your hips, the lower aspect of your spine, the whole pelvic bowl. Rest your awareness in the whole pelvic bowl. Breathe in and out of that place. breathing in from your connection points to the earth, filling that space with oxygen, and on your exhale, releasing any tension there back out into the earth. Inhaling through your connection points, breathing into your pelvic bowl, breathing out all that no longer serves you, back into the earth. Now, take a couple of minutes to be in spaciousness, to just be, no thoughts, no mind. If your mind wanders, use your breath as an anchor point to come back to, bringing all your attention and awareness to the breath. Take just a few seconds now to take stock of how you feel. Do you feel more calm? Does your mind feel more expansive? Notice and appreciate how you feel, and this will help you come back to your meditation tomorrow. Namaste.